The Atom Pro by Audien Hearing breaks new ground in the hearing industry, offering powerful new functionality and technology at an affordable price. Together, we'll walk through how simple the Atom Pro is to use, the best way to maintain your device, and some basic troubleshooting tips. Here are all of the components for your Atom Pro. Please be sure to carefully review all of the inserts and to visit the support website at audienhearing.com/support. The first thing you'll want to do when you receive your Atom Pro is to charge the case. After charging the charging case, it will support up to 3 additional wireless charging cycles for the Audien Atom Pro. To charge the case, take the lightning cable and plug the micro USB side into the charging case. Then, take the USB side of the lightning cable and plug it into the 2-prong wall transformer. Then, plug that into the wall. If you look into the charging case, you will see a hollow section within each of the charging ports. This is where the removal wire will go when the devices are inserted into the charging case. Lower your Atom Pro into the charging case with the removal wire going into the hollow section. The Atom Pro will magnetically click into place, and there will be a blinking red light to indicate the unit is charging. The red light will turn into a solid green light when charging is complete. It should take between 4 to 6 hours for the units to fully charge. The Audien Atom Pro does not have an on-off switch. The device will automatically power off and begin charging when placed into the charging case. The Audien Atom Pro must always be returned to the charging case when not in use. Otherwise, the device will remain on and drain the battery. Even if the charging case runs out of battery, inserting your Atom Pros into the case will turn off the units as long as they magnetically connect. The Atom Pro comes with a variety of ear domes. Choose the ear dome that fits snugly in your ear. The hearing aid must be stabilized in the canal. Otherwise, you may experience a bit of feedback or whistling. We advise picking the largest ear dome size that is comfortable in your ear. Make sure the earbud clicks and stays in place. Now you're ready to try the Atom Pro. Our design team crafted the Audien Atom Pro's small and sleek shape so that it would become virtually invisible when you wear it. The Atom Pro is not side-specific. Both devices are interchangeable and can be worn in either ear. Try inserting it into your ear, curving both forwards and backwards to determine which is most comfortable for you. The Atom Pro works by amplifying speech while reducing background noise. Still, you may need to adjust the overall volume. Simply use the small screwdriver that came with the Atom Pro to adjust the volume. Insert the screwdriver into the small slit on the volume dial. Turn the screwdriver clockwise to increase the volume and counterclockwise to decrease the volume. If you feel any resistance when rotating the volume dial, stop and do not continue to rotate. When first using the Atom Pro, keep the volume level at the first tick mark. Slowly increase the volume until you find which volume level is most comfortable for your ears. Be sure not to turn the volume too high, as this can cause discomfort in your ears. To keep your Atom Pro in top shape, you'll need to keep regular maintenance. Debris and earwax will naturally build up on the Atom Pro. Use the cleaning brush that came with the hearing device to remove debris. Be sure to replace ear domes every few weeks. You can visit our website to purchase new ones. Once the ear dome has been removed, you will want to clean the tip, also known as the receiver. This is where most of the wax will build up. Take a rubbing alcohol swab or wipe to clean the tip thoroughly. Also, remove the wax guard and clean around this. Use the A end of the wax guard replacement tool to remove the old wax guard from your Atom Pro. Flip the tool over. Then use the B end of the wax guard replacement tool to install a new wax guard. Once that wax guard is back on, clean off the rest of the device using the alcohol wipe. clean the small, golden circular connectors to remove any dust or dirt buildup. Dirt buildup on these connectors can cause a connection error with the charger. You will want to clean the charger as well. First, make sure that the charger is unplugged from the wall before cleaning it. Take the alcohol wipe and clean the inside of both charging ports. Make sure that the wipe is not too damp. Dry the devices fully. Use the brush to finish cleaning out any dirt and debris. Blowing into the unit will also help break up any debris. Clean the mini port of the charging base by blowing into the port and cleaning with the brush where the cable plugs into the unit. Using the brush, clean the charging cable ends as well. Make sure the unit is completely dry before plugging it into the wall. Once your unit has been cleaned and is dry, plug your charger into the wall. Put the hearing aids into the charging dock and see if the light comes on. The light should be red at first, eventually turning green when the unit is charged. Regularly charge your device as well. There may be times when you'll need to troubleshoot situations that arise with the Atom Pro. Here are some basic troubleshooting tips that will help keep your device working in top shape. You can also find these tips inside the user manual that came with your device. First, when no sound is coming from the device, make sure the device is fully charged. When the device is too quiet, use the small screwdriver that came with the Audien Atom Pro to turn up the overall volume. Turn the screwdriver clockwise to increase the volume. Also, make sure your device is clean of debris and fully charged. The first thing you should change if your product is whistling is the size of your earbud. You could be accidentally putting pressure or obstructing the microphone when fitting the device. The device must be stable in order to receive a clear and crisp sound. If this does not work, you may need to turn down the volume. Turn the screwdriver counterclockwise to decrease the volume. Again, you'll want to double-check that your device is clean of debris and fully charged. The design-patented Audien Atom Pro provides an improved listening experience and a comfortable fit at a fraction of the cost of similar hearing devices. To learn more about your Audien Atom Pro, go to audienhearing.com/support.